Hi, my name is Alan, and my science thing. I'm going to be answering some questions.
Okay, your first question. Tell us your first name.
My name's Alan. I just said that.
What led you to choose this topic?
Well, pretty much...
What is your topic? Sorry.
Pretty much it's, can you make a brownie that doesn't fall apart or crumble? It's soft when you bite into it, and it looks like a brownie, tastes like a brownie.
Okay. And what led you to choose the brownie topic?
Well, sort of, probably because I hate when I'm dipping a brownie in milk and it all falls apart.
So you're trying to find one that didn't fall apart?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tell us about your... Yeah, tell us about your experiment.
Pretty much what we did is we thought up a bunch of different combinations, and then we tested them. First we found out which one met the most criteria, and then we tried to make it even better.
Okay, when you say which one, I need you to say brownie, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we all know what you're talking about. Good. So, you tried to find the best brownie first?
Mm-hmm.
What did you do? Show us your charts.
Well, pretty much we tried 3 different kinds of brownies. One of them's store-bought or mixed.
Which one is number 1?
Well, this one's number 1. Well, what do you mean is number 1? The first one we tried?
First one we tried.
Okay, this is the first one we tried. Pretty much we had the sample's name and the taste, flavor, or chocolatiness. Not crunchy or its softness. It's hold its shape and its browniness.
And who did you get to rate these?
I think Kindy, my mom.
Just people you know?
Yeah, people we know.
Okay. Neighbors and stuff.
Yeah,
okay.
Neighbors.
Second brownie was?
Me, my mom, my dad. My
what did you bake?
Friend. Oh, we baked.
Show us these over here. What are these?
Those are some of the different recipes we used. The ultimate fudgy brownies, classic brownies, and this
Ghirardelli?
Yeah, Ghirardelli triple chocolate mix.
And where did we get our recipes from?
The America's Test Kitchen.
Okay, and here's a picture of you baking. Did you like making them?
I guess.
Okay, what was the result of your 3 brownies that you tested on people?
Conclusion?
No, that's not your conclusion.
I found out that the thing in the mix stuff was the best.
So that box mix was the best?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you took the box mix and tried to do what with it?
We tried
the next part of your experiment.
The only problem with the box mix was it was crumbly.
Okay.
So we tried different ways to make it not crumbly. One of them was, I think, we used 1 extra egg in the mix.
Okay, show us the pan that you usually use for brownies when we were making the brownie experiment. Okay, so it's a square glass pan. Okay.
Pretty much the rest we tried to add an extra egg. The other one we added a 1/2 cup of flour. But the one we found best was when you use this kind of muffin pan.
What's special about that muffin pan?
Well, because it's just metal, lining the brownie itself, and there's less space it has to get through to cook. Because this one, the heat has to get all the way through to the center. But these ones, it only has to go 1 inch, cook the whole brownie.
Okay.
So it gets cooked more, it's not crumbly as...
Show us a brownie.
Pretty much this.
Okay. So it tastes good and it's not crumbly.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like a brownie?
It's soft.
What happened with the egg and the flour brownie that you made?
Did
they work?
I don't think they worked as good as this.
What was wrong with those?
Well, I remember they were too cakey.
It didn't taste as brownie-y?
Yeah.
Okay, so you like this recipe the best still?
Yeah. There's only one problem with it. It doesn't really look like a brownie.
Yeah, that's the only problem, huh?
Yeah. You could use a muffin pan that has squares instead of circles, but I don't think they make those.
I don't know. How many times did you make these? Did you try it twice?
Yeah.
To make sure that it worked?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me see. What did you learn?
I learned that pretty much when you cook, the littlest things that you change can affect what you make, like, and that this pan makes firmer brownies.
Okay, and if you did it again, what would you do to improve the experiment?
Well, I would probably try to get or make a pan that has rectangles instead of like these sphere things for instead of a muffin pan, like have it squares. I think I saw TV commercials for one of those.
Okay, what else did you say you were going to try?
We were gonna try like different baking times, maybe that would affect it.
Okay.
Like, longer time and make it less crumbly. Maybe more crumbly.
Okay.
Crumbly, yeah.
And were you going to change your criteria?
Oh yeah, like try to make it more precise, like narrow it down to like instead of how crumbly it is, you might actually, instead of just having people eat it, like do like a 4 scale to see how much it can take. Or
okay.
It falls apart.
Anything else you'd like to add? Are you tired of eating brownies?
Not really.
Okay. Say thank you.